From their original homeland in the Horn of Africa, the Cushitic peoples began a series of migrations that unfolded over thousands of years. These movements were shaped by both opportunity and necessity. Population growth, recurring droughts, competition for grazing lands, and the search for fertile pastures all played a role in pushing communities outward. Their migrations reshaped much of Northeast and East Africa, leaving deep cultural and linguistic footprints. One stream of migration moved northwards and westwards into the Nile Valley. Here, Cushitic-speaking groups came into contact with Nilotic peoples, and contributed to the mosaic of early communities in present-day Sudan and Nubia. Some scholars suggest that Cushitic elements influenced aspects of early Nubian culture, particularly in pastoral systems and cattle-keeping traditions. Another major current of migration spread southwards into present-day Kenya and northern Tanzania. These movements are thought to have begun in the late Stone Age and continued steadily into the first millennium CE. Driven largely by pastoralism, Cushitic groups followed seasonal grazing corridors, introducing new livestock such as camels and adapting to the semi-arid and arid landscapes of East Africa. Within these movements, distinct branches took shape. Highland Cushites such as the Burji and Sidama settled in the fertile Ethiopian highlands, blending pastoralism with agriculture. Lowland Cushites, including the Somali, Oromo, Afar and Rendil, expanded widely across the dry lowlands, developing exceptional skill in camel herding and desert survival. Among them, the Oromo expansion stands out. Beginning in the 16th century, the Oromo spread across much of Ethiopia, Kenya and beyond, dramatically altering the demographic and political balance of the region. Wherever Cushitic migrations took them, they encountered other communities. In some cases, they integrated and exchanged cultural practices, such as agricultural knowledge from Bantu farmers or military alliances with Nilotic groups. In other cases, competition for grazing lands and water sources led to conflict. Yet these movements were not just about survival, they were also about growth and adaptation. Each migration extended Cushitic languages, traditions, and systems of pastoralism into new territories, embedding them into the fabric of East African history.